My 350Z starts and dies. I'm gonna show you the symptoms today, what the problem is, and how to fix it. Real quick, straight to the point. Look what happens when I try to start it. It dies right away. So I'm gonna show you now trying to blip the throttle. And it dies. Look. Now the first thing I want you to check is what happens when you unplug your MAF sensor. So this is your MAF sensor right here. If you have the stock air box, it's still in the same location, just this little thing right here. So I unplug it and try to start the car again. This time the car starts and idles, but it's in limp mode. When I try to rev it, it's almost like a two-step, and that's a problem that I'm having. For this, all you need to order is this, a new airflow sensor. I ordered from Hitachi on Amazon. So the dealer wanted $200 for the part, and Amazon has the OEM one for $140. But the one that I showed you is a Hitachi one. Hitachi is a brand that actually makes parts for Nissan. And I bought that one for like $54. I'll leave the link down below. It's an affiliate link, so I get a kickback from Amazon, but it's actually the same price if you were to buy it without clicking on the link. Just to show you, Nissan Hitachi, that's the OEM throttle body, never changed it. So all you need to do is remove these two screws. Yours could be different. Mine is just like a regular screwdriver. Remove a set. Oh, and I unplugged the battery just so the car resets itself. So this is the part that you actually need, and it comes with a gasket. I didn't know that. So this is one way only. So if I try to put the other way, it doesn't fit properly. You see, it doesn't line up. So you know which way it goes. That's it. Now, if this doesn't solve your problem, what you want to do is remove the throttle body. Okay, disconnect the battery, remove the throttle body, and clean the inside with throttle body cleaner or like MAF cleaner. Because this car actually accumulates a lot of gunk and dirt inside of the throttle body, and sometimes it gets stuck. So mine was clean, and that's the first thing that I tried just because it was free, and it didn't help. But yours, it could be that problem instead of this one. Okay, disconnect the battery. Worked. If this video helped you, just leave a like down below, and I'll see you guys next time. Peace.